Hello there, I'm Dan Schweeder with RIM Realty, and I want to introduce you to another fine farm that we have for sale here in Northwest Arkansas. This is near the community of Cincinnati, and this farm was built in 2003. There are 10 43 by 500s that sit on 40 acres here with a home and a trailer house, a couple stacking sheds, and a brand new composter. The farm grosses over $530,000 annually with its current Simmons contract, and all of the updates are current on this farm. There are radiant and jet brooders on the farm, and there's both rural and well water. The farm is for sale at $2,175,000. And now let's go take a look at some of the other special features. I just want you to notice real quickly this very nicely built brand new composter that was put up just early this year. There are two 40 by 70 stacking sheds on this farm, and so anyone is well equipped in operating the farm to be able to use them both for storage and for litter stacking. There are two homes on the property. One is a single wide trailer with 2 bedrooms and a bath, and the other is this brick home with nearly 1,400 square feet, 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. If you have any questions about this property, please feel free to call or text me at 479-957-2342 or email me dan.rimrealty@yahoo.com. We have plenty of farms for sale in this area. If you haven't seen something you like, call or text me again, and I'll be happy to tell you what is available out here in Northwest Arkansas.